Hello everyone. Let's check out how we can add all numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Currently I have 0 on the abacus. I'll start with 1. Then to add 2, I have 2 digits, so I'll add 2 here directly. Then the next number is I need to add is 3. To add 3, I don't have 3 beads at the lower side, but I do have 5 available, so I can use the small friend for 3. So adding 5 and subtracting small friend of 3, which is 2, I finish the addition of 3 in it. Okay, then the next number to add is 4. Now to add 4, I don't have 4 beads here, and I also don't have the 5 available to use as it's already been used. Okay, so to add 4, I will have to use the big friend. Now big friend of 4 is 6. So subtracting 6 and adding 10 on the next left rod, I finish the addition of 4. Okay, the next number is 5. Addition of 5 is directly possible as the bead is available now. So addition of 5 is done. Now to add 6, there is a combination to be used now. To add 6, we have to subtract the big friend of 6 and then add 10. Big friend of 6 is 4. So we need to subtract 4 on this rod and then add 10 on the next left rod. Okay. So now to subtract 4, I don't have 4 beads available to subtract. So I need to use the small friend formula for subtracting 4. Now the small friend of 4 is 1. So I'll add 1 and subtract 5. This way I finish doing minus 4 on the units place rod, and then I'll combine it with the addition of 10 on the next left rod and finish the addition of 6. Okay. Now to add, the next number to add is 7. 7 is directly possible on the units place, so I finish adding 7 this way. The next number to add is 8. For 8, I need to subtract the big friend of 8 and then add 10 on the next left rod. So big friend of 8 is 2. So minus 2 and plus 10, finish the addition of 8. Next number is 9. Again similar fashion. The big friend of 9 is 1. So I'll subtract 1 and add 10 and finish the addition of 9. Now the last number to add is 10. 10 means 1 on the tens place rod, adding 1 on the tens place rod. Now to add 1 on this rod, I don't have 1 bead available here, so I can use the small friend formula for 1. Small friend for 1 is 4. So I will add 5 and subtract 4 on the tens place rod, and this way I have finished at the last addition of last number 10. So the answer for addition of all numbers from 1 to 10 is 55 that we have on the abacus. Okay, let me quickly demonstrate all the steps involved in addition of numbers from 1 to 10. We'll start with 1 bead. Then to add 2, I have 2, so I'll add 2 directly. Then for the next number 3, I cannot use do it directly, so I'll use a small friend, so it will be plus 5 minus 2. Then the next number is 4. For 4, I'll use the big friend, so big friend of 4 is 6, so minus 6 plus 10. Next number is 5. I can do it directly, so I'll do it. Next number is 6. For 6, I'll need to use the combination formula. So the formula to be used is minus 4 plus 10. But for minus 4, I will use plus 1 minus 5 and then plus 10. So the 6 is complete. Then for 7, I can do it directly. Okay. Then for 8, I'll use the big friend formula, which is minus 2 plus 10. For 9, again the big friend formula, which is minus 1 plus 10. And the last number is 10. So for addition of 10, I'll add 1 on the tens place, which with the use of small friend formula. So plus 5 minus 4. And the final answer we have is 55. I hope the steps in addition of 1 to 10 are clear with everyone.